Just get it together, baby. Keep that center bright. Keep that future bright, for sure.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today, in honor of it being Pride Month, I wanted to get on and create a Pride look. I feel like I don't think I've ever created a Pride look for my channel before, but I definitely have on my Instagram. It's no longer up. I felt like I either deleted it or I just saved it to the archive, honey, or put it in the archive. But I have created a look on Instagram, just not on here, so you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be the first look. This month does mean a lot to me because I am a part of the LGBTQ community. I am, as many of you know, some of you may not know, that I am bisexual. You know, I'm not gonna get too deep into it. I'm not even gonna really get into it at all, but it is, you know, my whole journey and my story. I really have been wanting to share it, but I've just been waiting until, you know, my platform, you know, grew a little bit more, because I don't get really any engagement on here, so I just want to wait for it to say something, you know, so personal and like that for when I do grow, you know, because it is something I want to share and I want to talk about, because, you know, I'm proud to be a part of the community, and I know a lot of people will be able to, you know, relate to me, because, you know, I do feel a way, you know, when it comes to how people view bisexual people just in general. You know, I do have, you know, some stuff to say about that, but I ain't gonna get too deep into it. I ain't gonna get into it at all, baby, because that's gonna be a whole nother topic for a whole nother video. So yeah, have y'all ever been to Pride? Because I have, and it was lit. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video, y'all. I had to start over on this look, so let's just hope we are together now. So I already put concealer on. I just used my Morphe Fluidity concealer. So first I'm going to go in with that green shade, and I'm going to start by placing this right on the inner corner of my lid, kind of in the crease and kind of above it as well, because I will be cutting the crease today. And to do so, I am using my Morphe E18 brush to apply this green. So beside that color, I will be going in with that blue shade, and I will be using the same brush, and I'll be packing that one as well, using the same technique I did for the green shade. And I'm just applying this one in the middle. Okay, just like so. You see how it just blends in perfectly together? That's what we're doing, honey. So for the last color on this eye, I'm picking up that purple shade, and I'm going to place it on the very end of my eye, and I will be winking it out, because when I am cutting the crease, I'm winging that out instead of just doing like a circular cut crease. Okay, so you see how I kept looking straight ahead while doing this eye, because now the guideline is much easier to cut your crease if that's what you plan on doing. Like, it's so much more easier because it's practically already cut. You know, I just got that fallout on my lid right there, but look, you just have the perfect guideline. If, you know, you are not so skilled at cutting it, you still have some trouble, you know, keep your eye open and just look straight ahead. Like my mirror that I'm using, I'm keeping it right in front of me, so you won't have to do too much. You won't have to work too hard, you know. But before I do cut the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye as well, you know what I'm saying, because we are doing different colors. The first shade I'm going to be taking for this other eye is this yellow. It's like a yellow, like dandelion shade. I started to use the like more neon looking one, the highlighter looking one, but I just didn't I prefer this one. Simple. So same technique, different eye, honey. Same brush, honey. Self-explanatory, honey. Okay. This might not even show up for real. With this concealer, it might be hard to get it to really do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so I did have to go in with that highlighter shade. This is what I ended up choosing. I had to go in with that because that dandelion was just not going to show up, honey. It was not gonna get the job done. Now I'm gonna take that orange and place it in the middle, you know what I'm saying? Like we did that blue on the other eye. See how this gonna go. This one we're gonna really have to take the time to build up. But this is the palette, boo. If you don't have it already, go get you one. The crayon case, honey. I ain't even a crayon cutie, but listen, I will be. Let's make sure it's all blended. Okay, look. Make sure you get them edges together. Alright, now we're gonna take the red and we're gonna put it right at the end. Same thing we did with the purple on the other eye. Okay, same difference, same thing. Okay, same thing, same eye, love. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Look at us. Yes, get it together, baby. So what I'm gonna do now is go back in and cut my crease. And yeah, that's literally it. Using my Morphe concealer, which I'm running out of, which is really disheartening. So before this creases, I'm gonna set with my Beauty Bakery powder. I'm thinking I want to bake this lid because my lids do crease if I don't bake them. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Set it, put some powder right in the crease, and then we'll like brush it away eventually, you know what I'm saying? All right, and we're back. I did already put on my lashes and I did my liner. I used my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and the lashes are Lily Lashes So Extra Miami. I did it because my battery was dying and I had to recharge it and I didn't know what else to do, you know. And we're just gonna move into foundation. So I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, not foundation, Lord, concealer. I'll be using this Fenty one in the shade 370. All right, just gonna go in my usual spots. Y'all know this is, I like to use this to correct, really. Just helps to, you know what I'm saying, get the job done as far as correcting. It's really time for me to like go on some type of makeup shopping spree because literally all my products are just not doing anything for me anymore. Like, not even not doing anything for me, it's just my favorite concealers and stuff are running low. This concealer blends like a dream, you know what I'm saying? Like nobody's business. Look how that blending, y'all. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe Fluidity concealer, and this is in the shade C3.55. And now I'm just going to brighten. I'm gonna use this to brighten up the center of my face now. This is my favorite concealer. It's just so creamy. It's one of my favorite concealers, not my all-time favorite concealer. Just need to correct that real quick because no ma'am, I will not lie. I really feel so good to be back. Like, I feel like, you know, being gone for 2 weeks just really helped me to get myself together because I was just not feeling it, like, at all. every time I thought about recording, I just couldn't even bring myself to do it. And every time I would tell myself, okay, I might record today. I'll try to record today if I'm up to it. I just couldn't even do that. Like, and then I just got to a point where I just accepted the fact that I was not into it, you know? I was so uninspired and I wasn't feeling creative. Like, literally, I couldn't even film a video. It had got to a point where I couldn't even film because I just couldn't think of what to film, what I wanted to film. I was not in the mood to, you know, create no looks because I just couldn't even think of what look I wanted to create. And then everything, you know, going on right now in the world made it even harder, you know, to just get my mojo back. So I was just like, you know what, you know, maybe I just need this time to take a break, and that's okay, you know, because I kept putting pressure on myself. And another thing that I told myself that I'm going to stop doing is forcing myself to record when I'm just not feeling it, because I don't know if you guys can tell, you know, the difference, you know, when I'm in the mood to record and when I'm not in the mood to record. But I have a very monotone voice, and you know, it kind of just stays the same. And when I'm not in the mood, I just sound flatline. Like, I just sound lifeless and just dead when I'm not in the mood. And to me, you know, that's not okay, because I like to get on here when I'm recording. I like to show my personality more, and that's how I had to start doing it, because, you know, I'm a very goofy person naturally, and I'm just not, you know, so enthusiastic. But my energy is, you know, it's cool, but I'm really like laid back. So I had to bring, you know, the goofy side of me to my YouTube channel, so I wouldn't seem too laid back and, you know, boring. But I cannot force it at all. Like, when I'm not in the mood, it's really gonna show, you know? Like, it's not even gonna seem forced if I force it. It's just really not gonna happen. Like, I just don't even know how to force it. So I'm gonna set everywhere that I concealed with my Better Not Bitter Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the shade Yellow. And I try to go in with a little of this because it is so matte. Like, so matte. But it blends in like a dream, honey. It just makes the skin look extra smooth, okay? Get my nose, you know what I'm saying? Get all up in the center of my forehead. You know what I'm saying? This is it. Gotta get them under eyes, the bacon baby, because she's not gonna crease, okay? She cannot crease, baby. No ma'am, we're not having it, period. So going in with my NYX No Filter powder, and you know what I'm saying, you girl just gonna powder the rest of her face real quick, like real quick. Just take it all on, because honey, the rest of the face needs set, babe. This is my first time doing, you know what I'm saying, 2 different eye looks. I'm really loving it, honey, because your girl don't normally do two different eye looks. Going in with my favorite bronzer of all time, my Cocoa Natty. Y'all know I love this stuff. This is not nothing to be played with, okay? Okay, period. Just gonna bring some warmth back to the face. I love this stuff so much. Like, it just does wonders. Wonders. I just hope these pictures come out right, because I done missed the sun, so I'm gonna have to work with what I got in the inside today, honey. So going into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm picking up this shade. What is this? I'm picking up Yara. And I'm only going to be wearing... No, I'm not. I'm picking up this one. I'm so sorry, y'all. Look at me with this brush that I keep saying I'm not going to use no more because all it do is shed like crazy. Just a little flush, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? There we go. Just a little pop. A little razzle dazzle, you know what I'm saying? Something to get us by, you know what I'm saying? Hold us over. Period. Taking my Dragon Beauty transformation powder, and I will be using the peach one. And I'm gonna go right here, right along my cheekbones, just to, you know what I'm saying, cut them up real good, and then pat right under that baby, right there like that. You know what I'm saying? Just to stay bright. Keep that center bright. Keep that future bright, for sure. Going in with my Anglola highlighter from the crayon case. Okay, I'm just going to highlight on my cheekbones, my chin, and my nose. I might do a little brow action depending on how I'm really feeling. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I got so many lip options. I'm know for a fact that I'm lining with Cyber World by MAC. I don't know if I'm gonna go in with like, I have so many different shades of pinks here. I have all these and they're all sparkly. I think I'm gonna do like this one. I feel like I'm gonna put in the center, which is from Fenty. And then this one I feel like I'm gonna put like all over my lips. You know what? I don't know, honestly, to be quite honest with you. I am going to go in with Daddy's Girl from Kylie Cosmetics. It's a high gloss. Then I'm going to put Spacesuit like directly in the center of my lips only. Okay, so I'm back and I changed my shirt. I changed it into this little cute rainbow shirt I got like what, I think a year or two ago from Fashion Nova. Ooh. But yes, y'all, this is the finished look and I really like it. This is how it came out. Your girl did her hair like always. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope y'all like the look. Okay, I love it. I love how it came out. And yeah, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and then be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.